Hey Salam, I hope you guys do well. Halal Chef is back with another video, and this time I'm making Peri Peri Chicken Burger along with Peri Peri Wings and Peri Peri Fries. Everything's gonna be Peri Peri. It's gonna be better than Nando's, and trust me, you're really gonna enjoy this recipe. Without further ado, let's get started. Halal Chef presents. Alright, first of all we're gonna start with our chicken. Here I've got a large chicken breast. Grab your knife and you wanna cut the breast in the middle. So place your knife just in the middle, hand on the top, and slowly let the knife do the work. So you got these two beautiful fillets. Cut these into two. Now you want to grab the fillets and add them into this bag here. If you want, you can use a parchment paper, it's no problem. Now using a rolling pin or a meat tenderizer, we're gonna even out the shape, just to ensure our chicken cooks properly from all sides. Just turn the side over. Alright, so that looks perfect. Remove the chicken into this bowl here. I'm also using some of the chicken wings here. We're gonna dry brine the chicken with a good touch of salt and just give it a really good mix. Brining adds lots of flavor, so make sure you do this. Add a touch of salt and leave it in the fridge for a few hours. Now let's make our peri peri marinade. So you want to grab your blender, add in one small onion with the garlic. Now for the lemon, I'm using a whole flesh of the lemon instead of just the lemon juice. Now for the chilies, I'm using here a mix of serrano and bird's eye chili. Now bird's eye chili is the main key ingredient to our peri peri sauce, so make sure you definitely use it. And with tomato paste, this will add the depth and richness to our sauce. Now in with paprika powder, oregano. If you want, you could also use rosemary. Good touch of salt, some sugar to balance out the flavors, citric acid, and with the vinegar, water, and a good touch of oil. Alright, now you want to cover this and blend until nice and smooth. Oh my god, again. Smell that. Alright, so that looks great. And let's get a taste of this sauce, just to make sure all the seasoning is right. Have a little taste here. Bismillah. Wow, that is amazing. Just like Nando's Peri Peri marinade. Alright, so grab your chicken and add half of the marinade onto there and give this a really good mix. We're gonna use the marinade twice. The color looks amazing. I would love to use my hands to mix this, but remember there is bird's eye chili in there and that's really gonna burn you off. Alright, so once this nicely mixed, just leave it aside for around 20-30 minutes. I've just made a quick mayonnaise to go with our burgers. I'm gonna throw in some of that peri peri marinade. Just give it a really good mix. Alright, so here we have our peri peri mayonnaise. For the peri peri salt, we're gonna start with paprika powder, a mix of bird's eye and red chili, garlic and onion powder, white pepper, MSG, just a little bit. I've got here some dried oregano powder, just throw that in. Now if you want, you can also use rosemary. Citric acid adds a bit of sourness. We're gonna balance the spice with a bit of the sugar. Finally, a good touch of salt. Now give this a really good mix and combine everything together. Alright, so that looks great. Have a little taste if you like. And if you want, you can add a bit more chili to make it hot, but this is perfect. Now first we're gonna sear our wings and then finish them off in the oven. Add a touch of oil into this pan, just a little touch. Now slowly start adding your wings. Now like I said, you want to get a nice sear on your wings. Alright, now let's turn these. As you can see, I have a really nice sear on there. Alright, so once you have a really nice sear from both sides, just turn off the heat. remove those wings into this bowl. Add 1.5 tablespoons of that marinade in there. Give that a really good mix again. Grab your baking tray and remove the chicken onto there. Make sure to spread out the chicken wings. Just add a touch of oil on the top and this goes in the oven. Grab your grill and turn up the heat to medium. Add just a touch of oil and you want to spread that oil, making sure nothing will stick to the pan. Or add your fillets onto there. You want to let these grill from both sides until completely done. Or so it's been around 2.5 minutes. I'm just gonna turn this around. And give it another 2.5 minutes on this side. While I'm doing that, I'm just gonna add some more of this marinade on there. I'm gonna turn this again. Let the marinade cook a little. I'm just gonna remove it onto the plate. Add your fries into this bowl. A good touch of the peri peri salt on there and give that a really good mix. Nicely coated. Grab your toasted bun. Add a good touch of the peri peri mayonnaise. Add some of the lettuce, tomatoes, some of these onions if you like. Add the peri peri chicken on there, top of the bun. Serving it with our beautiful peri peri chicken wings. Don't forget the fries, just here on the side. Alright guys, I'm gonna try this. Let's try the wings first. Bismillah. Alright, I'm gonna try this beautiful peri peri burger. Bismillah. The peri peri burger is so juicy and full of flavors. Just have a look at that. Grilled to perfection. Bismillah. It's gonna become one of your favorites. The bird's eye chili really kicks in, but the flavors are perfectly balanced. You really need to try this peri peri chicken along with the peri peri wings. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Inshallah, I'll see you next time. Until then, salam. Make for your mom, make for your dad, make for your family. Enjoy.